Expressions Quiz Business. It tests comprehension of common English expressions about doing business. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. After leading the market for 50 years, the company went broke. A. Made smaller profits. B. Made fewer products. C. Became bankrupt. Went broke means letter C. Became bankrupt. Number 2. We've got a product in the pipeline that's going to make millions. A. Being developed. B. Being marketed. C. Being shipped. Answer is in the pipeline means letter A. Being developed. Number 3. Will be doing a roaring trade-in heaters when the weather changes. A. Selling quite a few. B. Selling a great many. C. Selling many fewer. Doing a roaring trade-in means letter B. Selling a great many. Number 4. The secret to running a small business is to keep your head above water. A. Learn from your mistakes. B. Stay out of debt. C. Make a good profit. Answer is keep your head above water means letter B. Stay out of debt. Number 5. Is the website a going concern at this stage? A. A profitable business. B. A failing business. C. A concerning business. A going concern means letter A. A profitable business. Number 6. Hisense cornered the market in smart TVs by selling high-quality units at low prices. A. Entered the market. B. Dominated the market. C. Improved its market share. Cornered the market means letter B. Dominated the market. Number 7. The companies are still negotiating, but I hear it's close to being a done deal. A. A deal that's failed. B. A deal that's been finalized. C. A deal that's been terminated. A done deal means letter B. A deal that's been finalized. And number 8. Selling overpriced t-shirts is the cash cow tourist shops need just now. A. Brief source of income. B. A legal source of income. C. Regular source of income. Cash cow means letter C. Regular source of income. Number 9. According to their CEO, the company's been in the red ever since it started. A. Losing money. B. Making money. C. Owing money. In the red means letter C. Owing money. Number 10. Last item. We've managed to keep our business in the black for another year. A. With more money than debt. B. With more debt than credit. C. With more expenses than income. In the black means letter A. With more money than debt. This video ends here about Expressions Quiz Business. Thanks for watching.